Steve Carr. Today I'm talking about 203K streamlined mortgages. These are fixer-upper loans that allow you to buy a property that needs work and then finance the cost of the repairs. This is available through the Connecticut Housing Finance Authority, and it's generally available to people who have not owned a house in the last 3 years. Most of the repairs can be financed. What happens is they figure out the cost of the house you're buying now in its current condition. Then we figure out the cost of the repairs. We put all those together, create an account for you so that your contractors can do this work and bring the house up to the condition that you're going to live in it. It's a great opportunity. There's a lot of qualified contractors out there. The Connecticut Housing Finance Authority works with your contractors to make sure of the quality of work, make sure that the prices fit into your plan so that you will come out of this with a good house in good condition. It's inspected along the way. There's a lot of plans and projections here. So if there's a house that you're thinking about that you'd like and it needs a lot of work, say you buy a house that's $100,000 and you put $70,000 work into it, you're going to have a mortgage for $170,000. So it's very interesting. It's a good thing to look at. If there's a house that you really want that needs work, think about a 203K or streamlined 203K rehab loan through the Connecticut Housing Finance Authority. I've done a few of these. I have a good idea how the process works, and I can connect you with loan officers who are experienced.